Have you ever wondered why the ocean is salty? It might seem like a simple question, but the answer is anything but straightforward. The saltiness of the ocean isn't just an interesting tidbit of trivia, it's the result of complex geological processes that have been ongoing for billions of years. One might think that the salt in the ocean simply comes from the sea's interaction with the land. Indeed, rivers do play a significant role in this. They erode the land they flow through, carrying minerals and salts into the ocean. But that's only part of the story. There's an equally intriguing, if not more exciting, source of the ocean's saltiness. Underneath the ocean's surface, there are volcanic activities churning out minerals and salts that contribute to the saltiness of the ocean. So, you see, the saltiness of the ocean is a fascinating blend of the Earth's dynamic processes. Now let's delve a bit deeper to understand these processes. Rivers, the veins of our planet, play a crucial role in the ocean's saltiness. Now, you might be wondering, how does a river, often fresh water, contribute to the ocean's saltiness? Well, let's break it down. Rivers are like nature's conveyor belts. They carry all sorts of things from the land into the ocean, including minerals and salts. This happens in an interesting way. When rain falls onto the earth, it's slightly acidic. This slight acidity is just enough to dissolve some of the rocks it comes into contact with. When these rocks dissolve, they release minerals and salts. Now, imagine all of this happening on a massive scale, all over the world, every day. Rainwater trickles down through the soil, collecting these dissolved minerals and salts along the way. It then finds its way into rivers, which act as pathways, carrying this salty load from the land to the sea. And it doesn't stop there. This process isn't a one-time event. It's continuous, happening day in and day out, with rivers constantly transporting these salts into the ocean. This continuous contribution from rivers all around the world helps maintain the ocean's consistent level of saltiness. So next time you're by a river, remember it's not just water flowing towards the sea, it's a salt delivery system. But rivers aren't the only contributors to the ocean's saltiness. Beneath the ocean's surface, underwater volcanoes and hydrothermal vents add to the saltiness. First, let's dive into the world of underwater volcanoes. Unlike their land-based counterparts, these underwater giants release a cocktail of minerals and salts directly into the ocean. When they erupt, they spew out molten rock or magma. As this magma cools, it reacts with the seawater, creating a variety of minerals. Among these minerals, you'll find compounds like magnesium, calcium, and potassium, all of which are salts. This process, known as seawater-basalt interaction, is a significant contributor to the ocean's salinity. Moving on, we encounter hydrothermal vents. These are essentially underwater geysers found along the ocean floor, particularly in areas with volcanic activity. These vents release superheated, mineral-rich water into the surrounding ocean. Picture a kettle boiling over, but on a grander, more dramatic scale. The water that spews out can reach temperatures of up to 750 degrees Fahrenheit. Yet, thanks to the immense pressure of the deep sea, it doesn't turn into steam. Instead, it dissolves the surrounding minerals and carries them into the ocean. These minerals again include salts, which further add to the ocean's salt content. So between the underwater volcanoes releasing minerals during eruptions and the hydrothermal vents spewing out mineral-rich water, we find a complex yet fascinating geological ballet. These geological processes work together to keep our oceans salty. So we've learned that the ocean's saltiness is not just a random fact, but a fascinating tale of Earth's geological processes. The rivers tirelessly carry dissolved salts from the land into the ocean, contributing a significant portion of its salinity. But it doesn't stop there. The molten mantle beneath our feet plays a crucial part too, by powering underwater volcanoes and hydrothermal vents. These underwater marvels release minerals into the sea, adding to its overall saltiness. So, you see, it's a delicate balance, a dance between the land, the rivers and the seafloor, which keeps our oceans at just the right level of saltiness. These processes are not only essential for maintaining the ocean's salt balance, but also play a vital role in sustaining the wide variety of life forms that call the ocean their home. Next time you taste the saltiness of the sea, remember the remarkable geological processes that make it so. Until next time, keep questioning and keep exploring.